In this video, I will explain how to check the given number is Armstrong or not Armstrong. I have already created one class. I name it Armstrong Number. Inside it, I have my method. So what is Armstrong? Armstrong, also called an narcissistic number. It's the sum of the power of its digit. It has been proven that there are no Armstrong number with more than 39 digits. There are only 89 Armstrong numbers in total. I have some of them here that I can use them later. Let me explain to you what is Armstrong number. Let me use this number and see. This number, when we look the length of this number is 3. Means we need to multiply each number 3 times. Like this. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 and 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. So if total of this one plus total of this one plus total of this one is equal this number, means it's Armstrong. If it's not equal this number, means it's not Armstrong. Let's start. Let's create a method. Call it like Armstrong. Parentheses, brace. Inside this one I need to put like long num. I use long because the long is support this number, this kind of numbers, because integer is not supporting this kind of numbers. This format is too big. So inside this I need 3 variables. First variable I'm gonna name it like cube equal to 0. Second variable I name it R. The third variable I name it T equal to num. This one I use it for the comparison. Now what I need to do, I need to do while loop. Inside this while loop, the Armstrong always is greater than 0. So in here we're gonna put like the number if it's greater than 0. Do my job, start my work. So in here what I need to write inside this loop, we need to write get the remainder of the num. Percentage 10 and num equal num divided by 10. Here the cube equal cube. Some people they use it like this, so I will explain it why it's wrong. Multiplied by R multiplied by R. So we get the power of the R. Some of them they do it like this, but it's wrong. I will explain why it's wrong. If T that we need to use it for comparison, it's equal to cube, means it's Armstrong. This is out, and for me, this the number, the given number is Armstrong. Else, if it's not equal to the num, means it's not Armstrong. This is out. The given number is not Armstrong, like this. So let's call this method and see if it works. Let's check the numbers if they are Armstrong or not. So let's call this method like this, semicolon, and let's write the first number 1 and run it, see if it's Armstrong or not. The given number is Armstrong. It should be Armstrong because it's in the list. Let's write the second number 153 and check it if it's Armstrong. It should be Armstrong. Let's write 371 and let's check if Armstrong. This number is Armstrong. All those numbers are Armstrong. Let's check different number that is not listed here. See if it's Armstrong or not. This given number is not Armstrong. Let's check another number, ID 153. No, 153 is Armstrong. 160. This number shouldn't be Armstrong. Yeah, this is not Armstrong. Like this. But the problem here, when we check the number that's greater than 1000, it will print that it's not Armstrong, even it's Armstrong, even it's listed here in Armstrong. Let's try this one. 1634, and check if it's Armstrong. It should be Armstrong, but let's see, it's not Armstrong. That's the problem. Let's check this one. This one is Armstrong. This number is Armstrong, but when we check it here, the output, it will show that it's not Armstrong. How we fix this issue? So fixing this issue, we need first to get the length of this one. How we can get the length of this one? We need to convert it to string and get the length. Let's convert it. String I equal to long dot to string. Inside this one we need to write a name. So like this, we convert this number to string and we will get the length. Where we use this I, we're gonna use it here. Instead of writing RRR, we need to use like this. We need to use like math in Java dot power to get the power. Inside this one R means this R, we need to get the power of this R. We write like this dot length, A dot length. This one is throwing an error because this one is string. We need to convert it to long. How we can convert it to long? We use like the cast. We will cast it like this. And now let's run it and see if this one it's Armstrong or not Armstrong. Now it should print that is Armstrong. This given number is Armstrong, okay, because this should be Armstrong like this. What's this? Let's check this one and see if it's Armstrong. Yeah, this one is throwing an error because the Java, it doesn't know what's the format of this number because it's too big. Let's tell Java that's the long number, but by adding add at the end, the error will disappear. This one is Armstrong. You see, this number is Armstrong. Let's put the biggest one like this and try and add at the end. Let's run it. This number is Armstrong. That's the way how you check the number is Armstrong or not Armstrong. By adding the L at the end of the long, and by converting the number to the string and get the length and use it here. Thank you. That's the way you can. Thank you.